Okay, Algebra 2, this is Thursday, October 25th, and we're solving systems of three equations using elimination. Just a quick reminder of how it works to solve by elimination. You've got to make something cancel. You've got to have the same coefficient, opposite signs. This one is already set up for your y's to cancel. We like that. 2x and 5x gives you 7x equals 12 plus 9 is 21. Solve that, x is equal to 3. That's one answer, but you're not done. You got to do 2 times 3 plus y equals 12. You got to take this 3 back to your original equation. 6 plus y is equal to 12. Subtract your 6, and y is equal to 6. There's your answer. Okay? That's solving by elimination when you have two variables, two equations. What we're going to do today is the same thing, except we have three equations, three variables. What you want to do is pick two equations, any two, and cancel something. As I look at this, I notice that if I use the second and third one, the y's are already ready to cancel. So we're going to take those and we're going to cancel the y. So in step 1a, I'm going to rewrite my equation. X plus 2y minus 6z equals negative 11, and 3x minus 2y minus 10z equals positive 11. Draw a line and combine. 4x, the y's go away, minus 16z equals, these cancel, so I have to put a 0. Okay, go back to your original. Choose a different combination of 2, but you still have to get rid of your y. Since we canceled the y to start with, we've got to stick with that. So you can either do 1 and 2 or 1 and 3. And in my opinion, 1 and 2 are set up better to get rid of the y because they already have opposite signs. You're going to take your first equation and you're going to multiply everything by 2 so that you'll have a negative 2y there. So that gives you 4x minus 2y plus 8z equals 22. Bring your second equation and just rewrite it. X plus 2y minus 6z equals negative 11. Draw a line and combine. 4x and x gives you 5x. The y's cancel. 8z minus 6z gives you plus 2z equals 22 minus 11 is 11. Okay, now it's just like what we did when we solved systems of 2. We have two variables. We need to cancel something. You've got to choose. Do you want to cancel the x or the y? My suggestion on this one is x or z. Is to cancel your z because they're already opposite signs. If you will multiply this equation by 8, you'll have a positive 16z, which will cancel. So bring the first equation, 4x minus 16z equals 0. Multiply everything in the second equation by 8. So you get 40x plus 16z equals 88. Draw a line and combine. 4x and 40x gives you 44x. Your z's go away. Equal to 88. Divide by 44. X equals 2. You're 1/3 of the way there. Now, you're really further than that, but you only have one of your three answers. You got to have an answer for every letter. Take that answer right there to either of your equations you came up with in step 1a or step 1b. I'm going to go to the pink one up here. Okay? So we're going to come down here, and anywhere I see x, I'm going to put 2. So 5 times 2 plus 2z equals 11. So now I'm going to solve for z. So 10 plus 2z equals 11. I'm going to subtract 10. 2z equals 1. Divided by 2, z is equal to 0.5. Okay? You're going to take these two answers back up to any of the original three equations. Doesn't matter which one, just pick one. So I'm going to go with the first one. And when I see an x, I'm going to put a 2. And when I see a z, I'm going to put a 0.5. So 2 times 2 minus y plus 4 times 0.5 equals 11. Put these back in. So 2 times 2 is 4 minus y plus half of 4 is 2 equals 11. So 4 and 2 combine and give you 6 minus y equals 11. Move your 6, negative y is equal to 5. Can't have a negative, so y is equal to 5. You now have all of your answers. You write them down here in this bottom box. in alphabetical order. So it's 2, comma, 5, comma, 0.5. There's your solution. Next problem. Same thing, you're going to pick 2 and cancel something. It jumps out to me right here that your z's will cancel immediately. So x minus 2y plus z equals 8, and 2x plus y minus z equals 0. Draw a line and combine. X and 2x gives you 3x. Negative 2y plus y is minus y. Z's cancel, equals 8. Pick 2 different equations and you still have to make the z cancel. So I would go with these, and you're going to have to multiply the middle one by 3. So you get 6x plus 3y minus 3z equals 0. Bring down your 3x minus 6y plus 3z equals 24. Draw a line and combine. 6x and 3x gives you 9x. 3y minus 6y is minus 3y. Your z's cancel, and it's equal to 24. You're going to take these 2 new equations. You're going to cancel something. If you multiply the one on the left by a negative 3, it's going to make your y's cancel. So you're going to get a negative 9x plus 3y equals negative 24. Bring the right equation down. 9x minus 3y is equal to 24. Draw a line and combine. X's cancel. Y's cancel. There's nothing left. You put a 0. Equals negative 24 and 24 cancel. There's nothing left. You put a 0. These are the problems you like. Because when you get to this situation and the x's and y's are gone, you ask yourself, is it true or is it false? Okay, if it's true, it's going to be A, R, N. And if it's false, it's going to be no solution. This one is true, so your answer is A, R, N. Okay, that takes you to your assignment. If you have trouble, come find me during speed.